Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, made it to JFK on my way to Amman, Jordan. Got a seat as well. And we'll see you there. Salad, some kind of cake. We got chicken and rice. See how that looks. Alright guys, some chicken and rice. It's like some kind of chicken with some spices and rice with herbs. It's interesting. Cheesecake, my favorite. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys? I am in Amman, Jordan. I made it. Survived the 10-hour flight. Honestly, Royal Jordanian was awesome. 787 was a beautiful plane. There it is. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.